Welcome to Mashvisor's property page, where Mashvisor will help us analyze a deal. Mashvisor will show us the location, list price, number of beds, baths, and square footage, the pictures on the home, and a description from the local listing agent. Mashvisor shows us a property valuation analytics score, a score that Mashvisor gives the property based off the rates of returns and the market analysis. We provide you with a breakdown of the rental incomes, monthly expenses, cash flow, cash-on-cash returns, cap rate, and the 10-year payback balance, the accumulated profit over a 10-year period. It also shows us the neighborhood or area analytics, the average rental income and occupancy rates, and if there's been any change since last month. The property characteristics such as property type, days on market, and the MLS ID number. The contact information for the listing agent. If we're financing a deal, here's our mortgage calculator. We can customize how much we're deciding to put down. As we make changes to our down payment, it will adjust our cash on cash for both rental strategies accordingly. We will be able to see our monthly mortgage, recurring costs, cash flow, and cap rates. Mashvisor will also give us a breakdown of the one-time startup costs and the monthly expenses. We can customize the expenses as we decide. So if we are renting our property as an Airbnb and we wanted to account for furniture or adding additional expenses like Wi-Fi, as we make these changes, they will impact our rates here, adjusting our cap rate and cash-on-cash return. The payback balance table will give us an overview about the home, showing us the adjusted gross, which is our gross, minus our vacancy and what we're paying for Airbnb's hosting fee, our total expenses between recurring and mortgage, our annual cash flow, all of our upfront costs from our one-time startup costs, and our cash down payment, and how long it will take for us to pay back that upfront cost through accumulated cash flow. The property page helps us get an overview about the property's potential, helping us identify if this is the right deal for us. We offer additional training videos that will help you navigate the service.